So let's proceed to number 1. So find dy over dx and simplify whenever possible. So for number 1, y is equals to hyperbolic arc sine of square root of x squared minus 1. So before we start to differentiate, so we know that the derivative of hyperbolic arc sine u is equals to 1 over square root of u squared plus 1 du over dx. So take note of that one. So our u here, so u is equals to square root of x squared minus 1, or if we transfer this one into exponent form, it is x squared minus 1 raised to the power of 1 half. So take note of that one. So we'll start to differentiate. So we have y prime. So what is the derivative of hyperbolic arc sine of u? So 1 over square root of, so u squared, so we have uh, square root of x squared minus 1 squared plus 1. So derivative, so d over dx, so derivative of u, so we have just remember this one. So what is the derivative of that one? So we have 1 half, so we have just copy inside x squared minus 1, so 1 half minus 1 is just equals to negative 1 half. So derivative inside is 2x. So power rule, so we have to simplify first. So we have y prime is equals to, so we have square root of, so this square root will be cancelled because of squared. So the remaining will be x squared minus 1 plus 1 times, so this 2 will be cancelled. So the remaining will be x all over. So this exponent has a negative, this term has a negative exponent, so we'll put that in the denominator. So we have square root of x squared minus 1. So let's further simplify. So we have y prime is equals to x all over, so this one will be cancelled, negative 1 plus 1 equals 0. So we have square root of x squared times square root of x squared minus 1. So we have y prime is equals to, so x all over. So what is the square root of x squared? Is just equals to x multiplied by square root of x squared minus 1. So we'll cancel this 1x. So the remaining will be y prime is equals to 1 all over square root of x squared minus 1. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So y prime is equals to 1 all over square root of x squared minus 1. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.